The start of the long-awaited league season. All the teams starting as equals. Another campaign of drama about to unfold. I'm your commentator, John Champion, and summarising here with me is Jim Beglin.
Thanks, John. Hello, everyone. I mean, what an atmosphere we've got in this stadium today. It's all very, very exciting.
Promising opportunity from the wing here. Plays it back.
Well, the passing is not quite the problem. They just need better movement if they're going to drag this defence out of position.
Can he now find a finish? He plays it through. Wants to get this forward. No, possession lost. He's latched onto it. A chance, and he scores! 1-0. He benefited from a slide rule pass.
Well, the run met the pass perfectly, and that's always tough for any defence.
At the priceless opener.
Well, that's their campaign well and truly up and running now.
Chance for a counter then. Breaking into space. Oh, fantastic save. Got beyond the last defender, but the linesman had his flag up then for offside. A fine display of slick passing. He's got in. Steered away. And the ball's out of play. They're breaking out quickly here. He's looking to play it into the channel. Flag was up, just caught offside there. Good call by the assistant referee. This is very pleasing on the eye. It's on for him. And that's been intercepted. Great chance for the counter. Penalised for that challenge. On the volley. He's unlucky not to score there.
Oh, listen, to come that close is a really, really good attempt, and judging by the crowd's reaction, they thought he'd done enough too.
Got it. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? There's a shooting opportunity here. Shoots.
Build-up play is so easy on the eye, but someone's got to get a shot away.
And that's come to nothing. Looking to carve open the defence. And we've had 30 minutes of this first period. That's the end of the danger for now.
Well, listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
Plays this forward.
Well, if they're going to trouble this opposition, then every single player has to contribute more. Their passing needs a serious lift.
Picked off the ball. We have 5 minutes to go in this half and just the one goal between the two sides. And that won't be making it through. This is lovely passing to watch. Cleared away from immediate danger. And he's got quite a shot on him. And the danger cleared away. Oh, no room for any argument there. Into touch it goes. Well cleared. And there's the end to the first 45.
Well, yes, we've only got the one goal, but it's the managers who can now make the real difference in this second half.
Just the one goal separates them then. It's 1-0. This is lovely passing to watch. Takes a shot, and he makes absolutely no mistake. A moment of significance for Manchester United. Great goal that, great team goal in fact.
Yeah, this is a lovely brand of football we're watching. They're playing with flair and enterprise, and there's a real cutting edge to their attack.
So we resume with the scores back level.
Oh, this is real tit-for-tat stuff. It's difficult to see which one has the drive and determination to come out on top now.
He's onside here. Cleared away from danger. Direct volley. Good strike, but straight at the keeper.
Yeah, I'm sure he was trying to place it in the corner of the net, but he's not likely to score by firing straight at the keeper.
He's on a promising run.
His awareness was found wanting there. The whole stadium could see that the way to go was wide.
The pass needed to be better there. It's on for him. Got it. Possibility here, puts it away, and they've come back in style. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
And it looked as if he had no room to try and engineer a chance there, and yet his strength and desire came through. It's a very well-worked finish.
They've got a precious 1-goal lead.
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
Plays this forward. Tried to play it through. Wants to get this forward. And he's still going. Header! The finish was not what was required.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there.
Almost 75 minutes on the watch now. What options are there for him? And they have a throw-in deep in the opposition's half. Fires it from distance. He's put that one wide.
What an effort that was. He's done very well from that distance.
He's got in. Looking to thread it through. It's come through to him nicely. He gets his shot away.
Well, they've not been troubled too much at the back, so they can play on the front foot, but losing possession still presents danger.
It's through. The flag stays down. A chance. And he'll drive it here. That's clearly not what was intended. And now the counter-attack. Wants to get this forward. Good ball out. Time is of the essence for the side that trails. Slides it through. That's a foul. Free kick in a position of some threat. Tries to slide it past the defence. It's played into space. That could have been really special.
And there's no doubt about that. That ball through was class, and it really warranted a finish to match.
Chance. It's a really good try, but no goal.
And that is one very relieved man between the sticks. There was no way he was going to get to that, and he knows it.
Plays this forward. And that brings to an end 90 minutes of football. A real confidence boost for the season to come. Any pre-season jitters will surely have been dispelled with that opening result.